How to change YouTube username on mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can change our YouTube's username on our mobile, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to change our YouTube account's username on our mobile, all we have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the YouTube application here. Once you launch the YouTube app, you can tap the profile icon located at the top right hand side of the screen, and then you can go to an option known as your channel, as you would be able to find it. Once you go to the your channel option, on the right hand side you'll be able to find the little edit like pencil icon. All you have to do is make sure to tap on that pencil like icon, and right here you can see name and you can see handle, and this handle thing right over here is basically your username, and whatever you change the username to, youtube.com/your username is actually going to be your channel URL. So if you'd like to change the username, tap the edit option next to the handle option, enter the new username you'd like to use, and then you should be able to change the username in that way. This way you can change your YouTube username on mobile. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.